Hi guys, and welcome to the channel. It's Andy Robinson RC here, and today we are giving the Tamiya TT02BMS its first run out. So I've put in electric wise, I've put the electrics in that we had in the associated T3. So we've got a high-tech 12-turn ESC with a 19-turn single money checkpoint motor, so that's in there as well. And we've got a Trackstar servo in there as well, which has come out of the Rookie Rabbit. So we're going to get it running. The only thing I've done as well, I've taken those Pinpoint Proline tyres and MS wheels off it, so I don't want to ruin them. And I've just got a set of mismatched Schumacher darts and mini pins on it. Not ideal, but they'll do. And before I run it last night, I don't know if you can see on here, I've been just changing out all the ball studs and ball connectors from the kit ones to the TRF alloy ones as well. So apart from that, the kit is still standard, although I did have to drop to a 16-tooth pinion rather than the kit 17-tooth one, because I ordered an alloy motor mount which turned up. It wasn't a Tamiya part, which it was meant to be. I thought it was, and it was a third-party make. And it just doesn't quite fit as well, so the mesh isn't quite right. So I need to get a proper Tamiya one, or the racing one, which is you can get a better mesh with it. But it will do for now. The drivetrain feels a little tight, but I've heard that before after these are built, so it should loosen up. But it drives fine. I did give it a quick bench test. Anyway, so it looks quite nice in the white actually. It's pops quite well. Anyway, let's put this down and give it a bit of a run. Okay. Yeah, so it's not super quick because it's got a low pinion on it, low tooth pinion on it, but I'm guessing it's doing about 24-25 mile an hour, which is reasonable, but it will obviously potentially go a lot quicker than this. But it accelerates nicely. And yeah, it's, even on these cars, it handles alright. Loads of grip. And that is not what I wanted to do. Give it a bit more of a left for a day. Right, well, apart from me losing it there and it rolling over, there we go. That's its first little run. That's the Tamiya TT02BMS, and yeah, I do like the look of it. It looks really nice when it's running. So what we will plan to do is we'll take it on some grass at some point, different surface, and we'll get the MS wheels on and the Proline pinpoints on, and we'll give it a go with them. But yeah, so I hope you enjoyed that, guys. If you want to see more videos, or you want to check out the other ones on our channel if you haven't already, please consider giving us a subscribe, hit the notification bell and give us a like, and we'll see you on some more videos soon. But yeah, there you go, Tamiya TT02BMS with the dual ridge body. See you again, cheers.